Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy watching, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So today's video is going to be a beauty haul. For the most part, these are going to be affordable products because we are in Affordable Makeup May. So in the month of May, probably 90% of my videos, we are going to be talking about and using affordable brands. So I did recently place an e.l.f. order. So I picked up their new bronzing drops. Now these are supposed to be a dupe for the Drunk Elephant bronzing drops, which I hadn't tried. I've tried them before in store, but I hadn't bought them yet. So I got the shade Copper Gold, and I also got the shade Pure Gold. So let's open these up. I got it when they first launched. I did order them, but I've been saving them for May. So this one's Copper Gold. That's pretty. And this one is Pure Gold. So I'll put that a little higher up. A little bit of this goes a long way. I can already see that. So this one's Pure Gold. So yeah, this one's giving a little bit more yellow than the coppery one. So I'm excited to try that out. This is one of those products that you could probably mix in with your foundation or your moisturizer. Now with that e.l.f. order, they did also send a sample, which this is a pretty big sample size of their Holy Hydration face cream, which I've heard great things about their face cream. Now I haven't used e.l.f. skincare before, so this is going to be new to me. Let's open this up. That's what it looks like. And I have been seeing people mix the hydration cream with the bronzing drops. So we'll probably try that out as well. Now I did place another e.l.f. order and I got 2 of their lip liners. Now these lip liners are $2. So I had to try them out. I've been wanting to try them out. They've been out for about 6 months, maybe 4 to 6 months already. Never did order them. I thought this would be the perfect time. And I got the 2 darkest brown shades. I'll put the colors to everything in the description box in case you want to know the names of the colors if I don't mention them. But this is the darkest brown here. And then the next brown that's the second darkest is this one, which is like a medium brown. I'll put it right next to it. So that's the second one. And like I said, these are the 2 darkest lip liners that they make in these $2 lip liners anyway. I also got another Power Grip primer from e.l.f. This is a really good primer, you guys. I gave mine to a friend, and since then I've been using the pink one with the niacinamide. But when I came up with this bright idea to do the Affordable Makeup May, I thought this is a staple, you know, so pick this back up. And the black handle brushes from e.l.f. are actually really good quality. So if you've been wanting to try it, but we're kind of unsure about the quality, you can't really go wrong with the black handle. Now the ones with the white handle, not so much, but the black handle ones are usually good. And so it's dual-sided. You have a powder brush, and then you have another brush that you could probably use for powder too, but maybe like blush or something like that. So it feels really nice. Also picked up 2 Milani sprays. Now this is the original Milani Make It Last 16-hour spray, which a lot of people swear by this spray. So I'm trying to see, is it going to give Charlotte Tilbury quality? We'll figure out this month, but and I was excited to see that they had a smaller size in this. So comment down below if you've tried this spray before. What do you think about it? And then I also picked up the Milani Make It Last sunscreen spray, which is also a setting spray, but it has SPF 30 in it. So this is right up my alley. I feel like this will be perfect for the summertime. This may be another option because, you know, with sunscreen, it only lasts for a couple of hours before you have to reapply. Now for me, something like the Super Goop or those sort of sunscreens that you have to put on like a lotion, I don't really reapply those every 2 hours. I don't like to get it on my hands and now I have to figure out like how to what I wipe my hands on. So I love a spray sunscreen that I can keep in my purse after the one that I already used wears off. So I feel like this may be an option. So I'm excited to try this out. Now, Black Radiance has a concealer, and I picked up a concealer. One of the socialites actually had a question about the shade that she would need for the Black Radiance liquid foundation. So I ended up going to a few stores and I couldn't find that foundation. I'll have to order online, which looks a little bit difficult to find your shade online, to be honest, but I'll probably order a couple shades and see if we can figure that out and test it out this month. But while looking for that foundation, I saw that Black Radiance had a concealer. So I picked it up in the shade, not sure what shade this is, but I'll definitely put it in the description box. So with that e.l.f. order, they also sent me the Whoa Glow 30, the SPF 30 Whoa Glow Sun Touchable in the shade Sunbeam. So I'm assuming this is like the e.l.f. version of Supergoop. And I love Supergoop. It was actually on my monthly favorites. I've been mixing it with another sunscreen and I love the way it looks. So it looks like it's on the gold spectrum. So it delivers a little bit of radiance. It's not as pigmented as like the Supergoop, maybe the lighter shade, but in Supergoop I wear Golden Hour, which is deeper than this. So I'm excited to try this out. e.l.f. They gonna do something, okay? That's just e.l.f. So this is also, now this one is SPF 35 and this is the invisible sunscreen. So they have invisible ones and then I guess they have like tinted or bronzy versions of it. So we'll be testing this. Physicians Formula launched a bronzing wand, sort of like the Charlotte Tilbury wand or the Tarte Sculpt Tape wand. Now this one's in the shade medium deep. Let's actually, so this is the packaging. Oh, it does have a twist mechanism, just like the Charlotte Tilbury. Like all of them have that little twisty thing where you can lock it. And so, eek, I did too much. But the shade, I think the shade is gonna work. And it's not too dark. It's sort of subtle on my skin tone anyway, which I love a subtle contour. But my next question is this the darkest shade? Because I feel like my ladies that's like a NC50 or NW45s, this may not be dark enough for you guys. So I'll put down below. I'm gonna look and find out if they make a darker shade, because it would be a shame if this is a darker shade, but I think this will work for my skin tone and lighter. So Gots to Be Glued has a brow gel, and if you know anything about me, I love a good brow gel. So this is it. I don't think it's new, but it's new to me. So let's open it up. And this is what it looks like. I actually got this from Target, y'all. So it comes in like a mascara wand. And it's just clear. So Gots to Be is known for having ultimate hold, and I love ultimate hold on my brows, so I'm excited for this. Covergirl has a clean line, so they've reformulated, and they have, I think the clean line is not reformulated. I think the clean line is just new products that have clean ingredients. And so they launched a brow gel and a brow liner, so I guess an ultimate brow pencil, and this is supposed to be one of those pencils that has the super skinny tip, like a definer in a sense. So I picked up the shade dark brown. So is that not cute? That soft pink. The packaging is everything. So let's see. Yeah, it has one of the super skinny tip. I don't even know if you guys can see that. It's so skinny. Tip and uh-oh, it broke on me. So that's the thing about the skinny definers. You can only barely twist it up and use a light hand. So I do like the shade of it. I don't think you guys can see it, but if you can see that. And then they have a clear brow gel, same really pretty soft pink packaging, and it has a tiny little wand. So the Gots to Be has a big wand, this has a little tiny wand. So I do have a couple more items that I wanted to show you guys, but this isn't like affordable brands. These are orders that I placed with Sephora like a week or so ago that just came in. And the first is something I posted on my community tab about a week ago, and it's the Sol de Janeiro set. Now they came out with this set that has 5 of their scents in it. So you get Cheirosa 40, 59, 62, 68, and 87. So we're gonna do a rating Sol de Janeiro video this month. And Phllur launched 2 new body sprays. One's called Dragonfruit, which sort of reminds me of Sparkling Lychee from Kayali. And one called Moonstone, which I'm not crazy about Moonstone. It's sort of a little bit of a masculine vibe to my nose. So I'm gonna probably do speed reviews on like a YouTube short of these. So one of the socialites requested for me to review a fragrance house called Henry Rose. And I wanna say this is Michelle Pfeiffer's fragrance brand. It's a clean fragrance brand, which a lot of fragrances coming out now are clean, beauty in general. And so this is the Henry Rose Discovery set. It comes with Char, Flora Carnivora, Jake's House, Queens and Monsters, which I've tried Queens and Monsters. It's a nice fragrance. And Torn and Windows Down. So if I was to compare this to another fragrance house, it's in that sort of vibes as like Le Labo, watery, earthy, minimal type scents. That's what this gives you. So the socialites were raving about Brown Girl Jane's Carnivale. I did the Brown Girl Jane fragrance review. I reviewed the Discovery set. I think it was about 5 of their fragrances, but it didn't come with Carnivale. And so many of you said y'all have this and love this. The travel size finally came back in stock. So I got this and it smells good. It's up there. It's like one of my favorite from the brand. From the Discovery set, Dawn was my favorite. This, oh my gosh, y'all. I think I like this better than Dawn. It smells incredible. So comment down below if you've tried Brown Girl Jane Carnivale. So Murad did send me a few products. So thank you, Murad, for gifting me these products. They came out with some new stuff, y'all. So the vitamin C glycolic serum. So they sent this over. I've been trying to keep up with showing you guys things that brands send. If it's gifted, I'll let you know. So I've been trying to keep up with that on my shorts. And then this is the Essential C Day Moisture with SPF 30. So I'm assuming this is a moisturizer. And then they also sent the AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. So I'll try these out and I'll keep you guys posted. So a brand called Ogee, they sent some stuff over. The Crystal Contour Collection. And the packaging of this is super luxe. So here's the box. It's what it looks like. And these are just super nice, and the packaging is magnetic. So it came with Opal Sculpted Face Stick, which is like one of those opalescent sort of highlighters that gives you that glow from within. Sculpted Face Stick in copper. So we'll put that right here. So I guess it's like a bronzer. It'll be a subtle bronzer on me, which I don't mind that. I think they have darker shades in this. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. I think I got the medium range. I don't think I got the darkest. So that's what that one's given. And then the Sculpted Face Stick in Rose Quartz, which can be used as, you can see, a blush. So we'll put that right here. So that's what that one looks like. So they also sent the Sculpted Complexion Stick, which I'm assuming is like the foundation. This sort of reminds you of Westman Atelier. So that's the shade. And then a couple of brushes. So this is like a powder brush. And then this looks to be like a lip brush, but I'm sure you can use this for eyes as well. And last, they sent the vitamin C elixir. So that's it for this beauty haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If there's anything in this haul that you guys have tried before, comment down below. Let me know how you liked it. Everything I used today will be linked in the description box. I'll put the shades next to it in case you guys are interested. So be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love.